refer to example, the quantity of 7 plus 9 divided by 2 minus 3. So, i-apply natin dito ang GEMDAS rule. Again, G is for groupings. Kapag may nakikita tayong grouping symbols like braces, bracket, at parentheses, M is multiply, D divide, A is add, S is subtract. Okay, since mayroon tayong nakikitang parenthesis which is yung G, yan muna yung uunahin natin. I-add natin or we add numbers inside the parenthesis. So, 7 plus 9 equals 16. Then, copy lang natin, divided by 2 minus 3. Then, the next step, after ng G, is M, which is multiply. So, wala naman tayong operation na multiply. Kaya, ang next natin ay D. So, D is divide. So, mayroon tayong 16 divided by 2. So, yun yung next step natin. I-divide natin ang 16 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. Then, copy minus 3. Okay, next addition. So, wala namang operation na add. Then, proceed tayo sa S. So, ang gagawin natin, isusubtract natin. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So, the final answer is 5. Okay.